Hi everyone, welcome to NEET Biology channel. In humans, the adrenal gland is composed of two types of tissues. Which one of the following is the correct match of tissue and its origin? A. Adrenal cortex, mesoderm, adrenal medulla, ectoderm. B. Adrenal cortex, ectoderm, adrenal medulla, endoderm. C. Adrenal cortex, mesoderm, adrenal medulla, ectoderm. D. Adrenal cortex, mesoderm, adrenal medulla, ectoderm-derived neural tissue. Correct answer is answer D. Adrenal cortex, mesoderm, adrenal medulla, ectoderm-derived neural tissue. Explanation: adrenal cortex is derived from mesoderm and secretes corticosteroids. Adrenal medulla arises from ectoderm-derived neural crest and secretes adrenaline and noradrenaline. Hence, option D is correct. Which one of the following pair is correctly matched? A. Ileum forms finger-like projections in large intestine. B. Pancreas, only exocrine gland in human digestive system. C. Rugae, irregular folds in stomach wall. D. Bile secreted by gall bladder. Correct answer is C. Rugae, irregular folds in stomach wall. Explanation: rugae are folds in the stomach's inner lining that allow expansion. Incorrect matches. Ileum is part of small intestine, not large. Pancreas is both endocrine and exocrine. Bile is secreted by liver, stored in gall bladder. Which one of the following pair of hormones are antagonistic to each other in regulating blood calcium levels? A. Parathyroid hormone and insulin. B. Calcitonin and insulin. C. Parathyroid hormone and thyroxine. D. Parathyroid hormone and calcitonin. Correct answer is D. Parathyroid hormone and calcitonin. Parathyroid hormone increases blood calcium ion levels by stimulating bone resorption. Calcitonin lowers calcium ion levels by promoting bone formation. Hence, they are antagonistic hormones in calcium regulation. Which one of the following pair is correctly matched? A. Iris, transparent layer forming front of eyeball. B. Retina, outer layer of eyeball. C. Cornea, helps in changing curvature of lens. D. Ciliary body, alters curvature of lens. Correct answer is answer D. Ciliary body alters curvature of lens. Explanation: ciliary body contains ciliary muscles that change the shape of the lens to help focus. Incorrect matches. Iris is pigmented, not transparent. Retina is innermost, not outer layer. Cornea is transparent but doesn't alter lens shape. Which one of the following statements is true for the luteal phase of the menstrual cycle? A. Level of progesterone is high. B. Level of FSH and LH are maximum. C. Rapid secretion of estrogen occurs. D. Ovulation does not occur. Explanation: after ovulation, corpus luteum forms and secretes progesterone. FSH and LH surge before ovulation, not during luteal phase. Estrogen peaks during follicular phase. Ovulation already occurred before luteal phase. Given below are two statements. Statement I: Thyroid hormones play a significant role in metamorphosis of frog tadpoles. Statement 2. The iodine required for synthesis of thyroid hormones is stored in lysosomes. A. Statement I is true but statement 2 is false. B. Both statement I and statement 2 are true. C. Statement I is false but statement 2 is true. D. Both statement I and statement 2 are false. Correct answer. In A. Statement I is true but statement 2 is false. Explanation. Statement 1. True, thyroxine, T, regulates metamorphosis in amphibians. Statement 2. False, iodine is stored in thyroid follicles as thyroglobulin, not lysosomes. Part of the ear where the impulses are converted into electrical signals. A. Cochlea. B. Ear ossicles. C. Semicircular canals. D. Eustachian tube. Correct answer is A. Cochlea. Explanation. Cochlea contains organ of Corti with hair cells that convert mechanical sound vibrations into nerve impulses. Other parts are involved in transmission or balance, not sensory conversion. Which one of the following is the correct sequence of sperm movement during ejaculation? A. Epididymis, vas deferens, urethral ejaculatory duct. B. Vas deferens, epididymis, urethral ejaculatory duct. C. Epididymis, vas deferens, ejaculatory duct, urethra. D. Vas deferens, ejaculatory duct, epididymis, urethra. Correct answer is C. Epididymis, vas deferens, ejaculatory duct, urethra. Explanation. Correct path of sperm movement during ejaculation. 1. Epididymis, storage and maturation. 2. Vas deferens, transport. 3. Ejaculatory duct. 4. Urethra, exit route. Spermatogenesis is regulated by A. Inhibin and LH. B. FSH and LH. C. Testosterone and HCG. D. FSH and testosterone. Correct answer is D. FSH and testosterone. Explanation. FSH stimulates Sertoli cells to support spermatogenesis. Testosterone, secreted by Leydig cells, is essential for maturation of sperm. LH stimulates Leydig cells but does not directly act on spermatogenesis. Inhibin only regulates FSH secretion, not spermatogenesis itself. A complex consisting of ribosome attached to a single mRNA is called A. Polysome. B. Microsome. C. Nucleosome. D. Ribosome. Correct answer is A. Polysome. Explanation. A polysome, or polyribosome, is a group of ribosomes bound to a single mRNA, actively involved in translation. Microsome, fragmented air. Nucleosome, DNA histone complex. Ribosome, single unit, not complex. A molecule that can act as a genetic material must fulfill the following criteria except A. It should be able to express itself in the form of Mendelian characters. B. It should be able to generate its replica. C. It should provide the scope for slow changes. Or D. It should be able to express itself. Explanation. Genetic material should replicate, 2. Mutate slowly, 3. Express information, 4. But expressing Mendelian characters, A, is not essential. Many genes are non-Mendelian or regulatory. Which of the following pair is correctly matched? A. Aldosterone, secreted by adrenal medulla. B. Insulin, secreted by alpha cells of pancreas. C. Testosterone, secreted by Leydig cells of testis. D. Calcitonin, secreted by parathyroid gland. Correct answer is C. Testosterone, secreted by Leydig cells of testis. Explanation. Testosterone is produced by Leydig, interstitial, cells in the testes. Incorrect pairs. Aldosterone is secreted by adrenal cortex, not medulla. Insulin is secreted by beta cells, not alpha. Calcitonin is secreted by thyroid, not parathyroid. Identify the correct statement about lymph. A. Lymph is formed due to leakage of blood from arteries. B. Lymph transports Co and urea from tissues. C. Lymph has more proteins than blood plasma. D. Lymph is not formed in the liver and intestine. Correct answer is B. Lymph transports carbon dioxide and urea from tissues. Explanation. Lymph is formed from tissue fluid and transports metabolic wastes like Co and urea to blood. It's formed by filtration from blood capillaries, not arteries directly. It has less protein than plasma. It is formed in all tissues, including liver and intestine.